this is a short video to show you how to share your screen if you are presenting or you want to share your screen with your teacher so your teacher can help you. Okay, so first you have to choose what you want to share. In my case, I want to share this presentation here. So the presentation is open, so I know what my presentation looks like. Here is the Zoom screen, so I'll come here and I'm gonna go to full screen. Then I have this green folder, share screen. Okay, so if you are sharing a video, come here and share the sound. So just in case, I'm gonna share the sound, optimize for video clip, and then you have to find your presentation here. Here you are sharing the Zoom screen. Here I have my Windows Explorer. That's not what I want. I don't want this. So here, oh, that's my presentation. So I click here and then I click share. So now people can see my presentation. So this is a slide presentation and I want to go to slideshow so I can present. So this is how you share a presentation. But let's suppose I want to share a video. Okay, so I come here and then I go to a screen and I choose a video and then I start showing a video. So make sure that your sound is on so people can listen to your video. Okay, so that's how you share and how you stop sharing. So let me go back here to the presentation. So here I have the presentation, full screen that I'm presenting here, and then I want to stop sharing. So I'm come here and I stop sharing my presentation. So this is how we share the presentation. Okay, again, click here. If you're sharing the sound, you come here and then you're gonna look for your presentation down here. And then click on your presentation and then share. If I want to stop sharing, I come here and I stop sharing my presentation over here. In case I have a PowerPoint presentation, I have to open the presentation first because it's not web-based. It's not here. So I downloaded the presentation and the presentation is here. So first I have to open the presentation. Okay, so I'm gonna go here and the presentation is open and then I'm going to find the presentation here. Okay, so it's not on my computer anymore, on my web page, my internet. So it's here. This is PowerPoint. Oh, that's my PowerPoint. So I come here, click, and then I do share. So that's my PowerPoint presentation. For a PowerPoint presentation, I'm gonna go down here for presentation. So I click here and then it's gonna go to full screen as I am presenting. Okay, so this is how I share my screen and deliver my presentation. Thank you for watching.